In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book now and pay later on Expedia. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to secure your travel plans but don't want to pay up front, this guide is for you. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure your next adventure can be booked with ease. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Expedia website. For this guide, we'll be using the Expedia Philippines site, which you can access by typing www.expedia.com.ph into your browser's address bar. This will take you to their homepage, filled with plenty of options for your travel needs, from vacation homes and hotels to car rentals and flights. Next, if you haven't already, it's best to sign into your Expedia account. Look for the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you don't yet have an account, no worries. You can create one by following the Create an Account option. Signing in ensures that you can manage your bookings later, and it often opens up additional features or discounts for members. Once you're logged in, head back to the Expedia homepage. Here's where the real fun begins. You're going to search for your desired destination. Let's use Lapu-Lapu in Central Visayas, Philippines as an example. On the homepage, you'll see search fields. Input your travel details, like your destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers. In this case, let's assume you're booking for 2 adults for a trip starting on October 16, 2025 and ending on October 18, 2025. After entering your travel specifics, press the search button. Expedia will then present you with a list of available accommodations and options to explore. Take your time to browse through the available hotels and choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. Now that you've selected your accommodation, it's time to check out the payment options, which is where the Book Now, Pay Later option becomes relevant. On the hotel booking page, look for the Payment Information section. You'll see different types of payment options here. Select the option that allows you to book now and pay later. This usually means you can reserve your room and hold off payment until a certain date closer to your stay. Lastly, review all your booking details to ensure everything is correct, from the dates to the payment method. Once satisfied, confirm your booking. You'll receive a confirmation email with all your booking details, ensuring you can rest easy knowing your travel plans are secured without immediate payment. And there you have it. Booking now with the option to pay later on. Expedia is a simple way to manage your travel finances and secure your travel plans with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!